7 businesses that will get you out of poverty while you sleep. Right now, while you're watching this video, thousands of ordinary people, people who started with nothing, are making money in their sleep. No boss, no alarm clock, no trading time for dollars. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one of these 7 businesses you can start even if you're broke, even if you have zero experience, and even if you've failed before. Stay until number 1. It changed my life, and it might change yours. Let me tell you about Marcus. Marcus was 27 years old, working 2 jobs, still couldn't pay his rent on time. Every month was a cycle, earn, spend, struggle, repeat. Sound familiar? One night, after a 12-hour shift, Marcus sat down on his couch and asked one question that changed everything. That question led him to discover the 7 businesses we're talking about today. Within 18 months, Marcus quit both his jobs. Now, let's get into it. Number 7. Selling digital products. Here's the magic of digital products. You create it once and sell it forever. An ebook, a template, a Notion planner, a Canva design pack, a guide on how to do anything. People are making thousands every month selling a simple PDF they made in an afternoon. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Payhip handle everything. Payments, delivery, and even refunds. You just sleep. The entry cost, almost zero. The upside, unlimited. Number 6. Faceless YouTube channels. You don't need to show your face. You don't need a fancy camera. You just need this. Channels about personal finance, history facts, motivational content, business tips, making $3,000 to $50,000 a month from ad revenue alone. All automated. Tools like AI voiceovers, stock footage, and simple animation software mean one person can run a channel that looks like a full production team. The secret? Consistency. Post 30 videos. Then let the algorithm do the work for you. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. Here's how it works. A company makes a product. You recommend it. Someone buys it. You get a commission, even while you're sleeping. Amazon, ClickBank, ShareASale. There are thousands of products you can promote, and you don't hold any inventory. You don't ship anything. You don't even talk to customers. All you need is a platform, a blog, a YouTube channel, a TikTok page, and a link. Every click that turns into a purchase puts money in your pocket. One affiliate marketer wrote a single blog post in 2019. That post still makes him $800 a month today. Number 4. Print on demand. You design it. They print it. They ship it. You profit. Platforms like Redbubble, Printful, and Merch by Amazon let you upload a design onto t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, hoodies, and when someone orders, the platform handles everything. You don't touch the product. You don't see the product. You don't even know it's being shipped until the money hits your account. One designer uploaded 50 simple quote designs during a weekend. She now makes $2,000 a month, completely passively. Number 3, and this one surprises people, renting out assets. You don't need a mansion or a luxury car. Whatever you own can make you money. Your spare room on Airbnb, your car on Turo, your parking spot on Spot Hero, your camera equipment on Fat Llama, your tools on peer-to-peer rental apps. Poor people trade time for money. Wealthy people let their assets trade for them. Marcus. Remember Marcus from the beginning? He rented out his spare bedroom for $600 a month. That one decision covered his car payment every month without lifting a finger. What do you already own that someone else would pay to use? Number 2, online courses and membership sites. Whatever you know, someone will pay to learn it. How to cook Nigerian food, how to fix a leaking tap, how to get a job with no degree, how to grow succulents, how to do your own taxes. There's a student for every teacher. Platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, and Udemy host your course and handle payments. You record your lessons once, and they sell forever. One man made a course on how to pass a plumbing exam. $97 a course. He sold 400 copies last year. You do the math. The barrier to entry is knowledge you already have. The only question is, are you going to package it? And here it is. Number 1, the business that changed Marcus's life. The one I said to stick around for. Number 1, building a niche content brand with multiple income streams. This is the big one because it's not just one stream of passive income, it's all of them working together. You pick one topic you know or care about. Fitness, money, cooking, self-improvement, parenting, gaming, anything. Your old YouTube video from 2 years ago? Still getting views, still earning ad revenue, still promoting your affiliate links, still selling your digital product. Marcus started a YouTube channel about budgeting on a low income. In 12 months, he had 40,000 subscribers. Today, his channel earns ad money, affiliate commissions, and sells his own budgeting course while he sleeps. It takes time to build, but once it's built, it works for you forever. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. This sounds too good to be true. Or I don't have time. Or I've tried stuff like this before, and it didn't work. Let me be straight with you. None of these businesses will make you rich overnight. None of them is a get-rich-quick scheme. They are get-rich-eventually businesses. And the people who get there are the ones who start, even small, even scared, even while still working their 9 to 5. The first step is always the hardest, but the first step is also the most important. Let's recap the 7 businesses that can get you out of poverty while you sleep. Number 7, selling digital products. Number 6, faceless YouTube channels. Number 5, affiliate marketing. Number 4, print on demand. Number 3, renting out your assets. Number 2, online courses and memberships. And number 1, building a niche content brand. You don't need to start all 7. You need to start 1. Pick the one that fits your life right now and go. The difference between the people watching this video and doing nothing and the people who actually change their financial lives is one decision, not talent, not money, not luck. One decision to start. Marcus didn't have a plan. He didn't have capital. He had a question and a YouTube channel. That's it. Your future self is waiting for you to make that move. If this video gave you even one idea, smash that like button. It helps more people find this channel and take control of their financial future. Subscribe if you want more videos like this. We post every week on building income, escaping the rat race, and building the life you actually want. And comment below, which of the 7 businesses are you going to start? I will see you in the next one.